Welcome to Special Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. What an amazing find this is. It really is absolutely incredible find. There is not another one like it anywhere for sale in the country, and I don't think you'll get many of these like it. This is Audi A3 TFSI S-Line S-Tronic in Daytona grey metallic, one private owner from new with an incredible mileage of 1106. That's 1106, 1100 miles on an 18 plate. Yes, that is how unique this car is. It's a one-off. So if you want it, you know what to do. Do not miss something like this. They don't come up very often. Once in a blue moon is a saying. The car is like showroom condition, and absolutely delighted to have managed to get my hands on it. Quite a few factory fitted options, about £900 worth of factory fitted options, including Parktronic, heated seats, folding mirrors. This car is good spec to start with anyway. It's the S-Line. So twin exhausts there, looking very nice and clean, gleaming away. Rear parking sensors. Good size boot on these for the size and type of car. Fold through as well, so you can drop the seats down if you want to carry anything a bit longer through that. As I mentioned, 1100 miles. It's like brand new. There's not a mark, not a scratch, not a ding anywhere whatsoever. All the wheels totally unmarked, no curbing anywhere. In fact, looks like brand new behind there. Look at that, it is gorgeous. Front parking sensors, full electric hood, one button touch, proper four-seater car. This one also has the wind deflector there. A great feature, that is an option. Just drop that up. The S-Line half leather sport seats, S-Line embossed on there, front center armrest, USB aux input in there, all the trim as you would imagine, brand new. Satellite navigation, Bluetooth connection, media, stereo, SD input in there, drive select, you can select the sort of drive you'd like, dynamic, individual, automatic, dual zone climate control, heated seats. This very smooth S-Tronic gearbox with paddle shift gear change as well. There we have it, gear change on there. 1106 miles. Cruise control. This fabulous flat bottom sport steering wheel with all the controls on there, onboard computer. What a great car. Just one button touch. And the hood comes up very quickly. Other features include automatic lights. So there we have the hood just coming up. Automatic locking. It is just so quick and easy. There we go, simple easy as that. Folding mirrors. So there we have it. What a unique car it really is. A one-off. Of course, HPI checked. 2 sets of keys, complete book pack. Looks gorgeous with the hood up or the hood down. Any further information, it's 01782 822 700. Click and reserve 24/7 before anybody else beats you to it. Multi-award winning dealer, Specialist Cars in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.